God bless you everyone. Today we're working with the soon-to-be Turbo Eclipse. So here we have the soon-to-be Turbo Eclipse. As you guys know, on the last update video, it's a 2.4 4G64. Right now it's an old motor. Since the last video, a couple things changed. Not a lot, but you know, both cover color. We got like black fenders, things like that. So what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna install a fuel pressure regulator, which is actually right here. And this one is the same one the Sentra has, just the same thing. It's just that this one is on black. And here we have the fuel rail adapter, which is gonna allow us to actually put the AN lines. What we're planning to do for now is gonna be to mount it somewhere around here, because the stock fuel pressure regulator is actually right here. So what we're gonna do is just somehow mount it over here and put it over here. But besides that, let me show you something else. Boom. So here I have some of the parts that Manny already had for the build, and everything is on boxes. So let's open them up real quick. Boom. So you guys saw, we have the fuel pressure regulator. Over here we have the blow above. We're gonna go black and purple. Here we have an old cash cam that we're gonna be using. We have the AN wideband. This one is the same one both of my cars has. Over here we have the 255 LPH fuel pump. It's actually by a Quantum. Here we have an intercooler, and it's on matte black. This thing is beautiful. Besides that, over here we have actually intercooler piping, which is bolt-on for this application. So it should make everything a lot easier. And here's the last part of the puzzle, and I'm super excited. Here we have the AM EMS4, which is going to be our full standalone ECU, and that's what we have for now. So we still have a couple parts that we still need to get, but this is what I have right now, and we're gonna get more parts coming in. But of course, it's gonna be a couple videos until we get the whole thing running. But this is what we have. So let's go. So far we're making progress. Manny mount the fuel rail adapter, which actually is converted to either a 6AN or AAN, I'm not sure. But we got that one there. Besides that, Manny also created a metal mounting point, and it's gonna be someplace around here by the strut tower. So as you guys can see, we have the curved shape, and it's gonna go around there. So right now, what we're gonna do, we just making a couple measurements. We still have to paint this, and then we have to throw the AN line. So let's go. So we're making some progress. Over here we have one of the lines completely finished, and here we have the other line coming from the fuel filter. So that one is all set. We got this one ready. We just painted the bracket, and here's the bracket. It's actually called black styling steel, and this one almost matched the strut bar, which it looks very nice. So this one again is gonna go around here, and you guys can see how good it looks. So let's put this on. successfully we got the fuel pressure regulator on, we got the vacuum hose installed, we have the nice nylon hose that goes to the adapter in the fuel rail, and also we have the oil feed, the fuel feed coming in from the bottom. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna prime the system now so we can actually make sure we got pressure and also inspect for anything.
A few moments later.
Now I got pressure. It's alright, just wait, don't start it. I see something. Okay, I found the first leak. Alright, let me adjust and then we'll be back. Okay, so we find out that it was actually the top one. And right now we're just making some adjustments real quick. There you go.
Okay.
All right, give it a crank and I see what happens here. If I yell, you know what it is. Just shut down the car. Shut it down. Okay, so I found another one. It's not a lot though. It's right here.
Where?
On the adapter over here in the fuel rail.
I didn't put any Teflon there.
You see how we're gonna adjust it and we'll be back. So we found that it's leaking from the adapter, actually right here. So what we want to do now is just remove the fitting to remove the adapter, Teflon it, and put it back. So here we have the fitting, and what we did, we just put a Teflon tape and we got actually an O-ring on this side. So we're gonna just mount it and hopefully it doesn't leak. Okay, so successfully we got this one on. Now we're gonna test it out again. So we got the car running and everything seems to be working the way it should. No leaks. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. Manny's car now has a new fuel pressure regulator, and this is the first thing, and we got a lot more to come, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and Manny, peace.